Have you ever wondered, is there such a thing as a parallel universe? Who first developed the theory of parallel universes? What is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle? Well, let's break it down now. Being interested about what's out there, and whether we people on Earth are extraordinary and alone in the universe is just normal. However, a few researchers go far past getting some information about different types of life. Certain researchers have conjectured that there might be one more universe out there right close by our own. Some accept there could be an endless number of such universes, which they call equal universes. Could this be valid? Might there be one more variant of you who knows where to exists in your future or your past? The people who contemplate equal universes accept our universe might be only a branch on a tree of universes that all exist all the while, just in various conditions of time with various pasts and various fates. It seems like the stuff of sci-fi books and motion pictures, isn't that so? There have unquestionably been enough of those over the course of the years to turn the personalities of perusers and watchers all over the place. Yet, is the possibility of an equal universe simply pretend? Equal universes traces all the way back to 1954, when Hugh Everett III, a Princeton University understudy, fostered the intense thought that equal universes, precisely like and connected with our universe, exist. These equal universes branch off from our own, and our universe branches off from others. In equal universes, the universal conflicts could have various results. Species, like dinosaurs, could have lived in specific equal universes. To be sure, people themselves could have become terminated in specific equal universes. Does this sound a piece outlandish to you? How could a youthful researcher propose such an extreme thought? Everett's many worlds theory, as it came to be known, was his endeavor to respond to a few unanswered inquiries raised by the consequences of trials acted in the developing field of quantum physical science. Quantum material science is the investigation of the quantum level, which is the littlest level researchers have recognized up until this point. Quantum matter, which exists on the subatomic level, seems to act whimsically on occasion, which has persuaded researchers to think there are other logical regulations at work that we have hardly any insight into. For instance, researchers concentrating on quantum matter before long understood that quantum particles, like photons, appear to, for arbitrary reasons, take various structures. Researchers who noticed photons saw that occasionally they behaved like particles and at different times they behaved like waves. That is like you being a strong individual one moment and a gas the following. Researchers call this peculiarity the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Physicist Werner Heisenberg conjectured that we influence the way of behaving of quantum matter essentially by noticing it. Another physicist, Niels Bohr, concurred. He accepted that quantum particles exist in all potential states without a moment's delay. At the point when we notice them, we influence their way of behaving, compelling them to pick one state at that point. Everett's many worlds theory is an option in contrast to Bohr's perspective on quantum matter. As per Everett, noticing quantum matter causes a genuine split in the universe as opposed to a decision of one state over another. The universe in a real sense copies, parting into various equal universes for every conceivable condition of the quantum matter. The many worlds theory has a few ramifications that upset a few researchers. For instance, on the off chance that you've at any point experienced a circumstance in which one potential result was passing, then, at that point, by Everett's hypothesis, there exists an equal universe out there wherein you kick the bucket. Many individuals additionally despise Everett's hypothesis since it clashes with our essential comprehension of the idea of time. Everett's hypothesis was viewed as outlandish for a long time, yet as of late researchers have become keen on it once more, because of the way that a few researchers directed psychological tests that appeared to show that Everett's hypothesis is hypothetically conceivable. Curiously, Everett's hypothesis isn't the main elective hypothesis that endeavors to make sense of quantum mechanics. Another hypothesis, known as string theory, guarantees that there exist particles significantly more modest than quantum matter. String theory additionally asserts that equal universes can exist. So who can say for sure? Perhaps there are equal universes out there. Perhaps you'll grow up to concentrate on quantum material science one day and answer these inquiries the world needs to be aware. Well, that's all for today. If you comes to the end of this video, then please do consider to subscribe this channel, give this video a like, and please share your thoughts and comments.